wanted to show you this. You see all these little mounds? All these little mounds all over the ground? All of those are earthworm mounds. And during the winter, they dig their tunnels deep underground. And in the spring, when the ground starts to warm up, they come down, or they push all it up, they start cleaning house. I'm trying to make it larger and it's not working. So they start cleaning house, and all of these mounds are earthworm castings. This is the good stuff. This is the stuff that improves your soil. Not just the holes from the earthworms, but the earthworm castings and the poop that they push up. They're cleaning house for spring. They're spring cleaning. All winter they've been busy under there, and now they're spring cleaning, and they know it's coming. So I just wanted you to see that. Oh, let me show you another one. I had some really big mounds inside the greenhouse that I watered yesterday, and they watered down. So I just have one. I can show you a bigger one. Now, they've been active inside the greenhouse all year. And it is right there. See all that? Yeah. All that is earthworm castings. They're cleaning house for the spring. Talk to you later.